Hello students, how are you? By the grace of God, weekly trading levels are ready and I am presenting over here. Nifty 50 worked very well on last week's support and resistance levels. निफ्टी ने जो टॉप फॉर्म किया दैट वाज 19,867 और जो फाइनल रेजिस्टेंस था दैट वाज 19,891 फ्रॉम द ट्रेंड डिसाइडर ऑफ 19,455. A gain of almost 430 points in just 1 week. Last week, CAC 40 hit the support too. DAX hit the support too successfully, and Adani Power managed to reach to the final resistance. Final resistance is 373 and the top was at 372. Dot on it. Infosys hit the resistance too. Nifty hit the final target, and as it hit the final target or final resistance, corrected by 100 points within 1 hour on Friday. TCS closed dot on the final resistance 3,443, 3,442. There was a gap of only 1 point. Final target is 1,634, top at 1,633. Dot on it. Which stock? That's HDFC Bank. 1,634, 1,633. Silver managed to hit the final support with a move of 6 red candles, and the bottom of 6 red candles is 71,570. Bank Nifty closed dot on resistance to 45,193. Indian shares closed on Friday at a more than 1 month high, led by gains in banks, powers, and many other sectors. L&T was the leader. US 30 managed to reach near the final support and set a pullback. For the last 1.5 years or so, even more than that, I am advocating that we are in a upward cycle of interest rates as well as the inflation. But now I believe that within few months interest rate may top out, and from there onwards we may witness that there are going to be rate cuts by the central banks of the world. And if there are going to be the rate cuts in times to come, if inflation is in control, inflation is also falling in times to come, then the probability will be that central banks may think to cut the rates. The biggest reason for it is as the inflation cools and employment remains resilient, a US economy downturn is becoming less likely. This is a thought process of many economics. Let's see what's going to happen in times to come. Okay, with these words, lots of love, blessings to all my students. Happy trading, happy investing, lots of love from core of my heart.